Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about this law of exponents for real number, children. So, if you have the any expression is in the form of a to the power m into a to the power n, where the bases are same, base is a, so a to the power m plus n, the power will add in this expression, children. If second is if it is in the form of a to the power m upon a to the power n, so the expression will be like that: a to the power, its value will be a to the power m minus n, where m is greater than n. Third is a to the power m in whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. The power will multiply. Here, fourth one is important. If a to the power m into b to the power m, here powers are same, but bases are not same. So you can multiply bases and power will come m. So children, as you know that root a is equal to a by 2, that I have taught you in class 8th already. And if this is n root a is equal to a to the power 1 by n, let us suppose n root a is equal to b. So if anybody will ask us that how we will find out the value of a, so that this expression n root a, we can write a to the power 1 upon n, so is equal to b. So both side multiplying the powers by n से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए पावर को. So a to the power 1 by n into n is equal to b to the power 1 into n, that is b to the power n. So here n is cancelled by n, so a is equal to b to the power n. So you can write cube root 2 is equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3. So on the basis of this, children, you will complete the exercise 1.6. Let us suppose 64 to the power 64 to the power half. This is equal to 8 into 8 to the power half. So 8 square, 8 into 8 is 8 square, and 8 square to the power 1 by 2 is equal to 8 to the power 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 8 to the power 1 is equal to 8. So in this we use the property a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. Now children, fourth question is 125 to the power, if it is minus 1 by 3, so that minus sign you can take in the denominator. If you will change this expression, you can change in numerator and denominator, that is 1 upon 125 to the power 1 by 3. So 1 upon 1, split this 125, 5 into 5 into 5, this is power 1 by 3. So 5 to the power 3 and this whole to the power 3. So power here you are also using the property a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. So 5 to the power 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 5. So children, now next chapter is polynomial. Now polynomial. So children, poly stand for many and nomial for terms. So an algebraic expression where many terms are there, so that is called the polynomial. The algebraic expression made by the variables you know children, that is x, y, z, etc., and constant 2, 3, 5, etc. So the combination of these variables and constants, we can say them as the polynomial. So children, if the polynomial having only single term, let us suppose 4x, this is monomial. If it is 4x plus c, that is binomial. And it is have 3 terms, let us suppose x plus x square plus 5, so this is trinomial. So children, highest power of the variable in a polynomial as the degree of the polynomial. Highest power of the variable, let us suppose this is 4x, so power is x to the power 1 here. So the degree of this first one monomial is 1, second also 1, because here is 4x, so x to the power 1, and this third expression is x square is the highest degree term, so the degree of this polynomial is 2. The degree of a non-zero constant polynomial is 0. The degree of a non-zero constant polynomial, let us suppose non-zero constant polynomial, let us suppose 5 की डिग्री 0 कैसे हो गई, लेट अस सपोज 5 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं x के टर्म में या y के टर्म में, कैसे लिखेंगे 5 इंटू एक्स टू द पावर 0 एंड x टू द पावर 0 यू नो चिल्ड्रन दैट इज 1 और 5 टू द पावर किसी भी नंबर के पावर अगर 0 है दैट इज इक्वल टू 1. सो 5 इंटू एक्स टू द पावर 1 इज इक्वल टू 5. एक्स टू द पावर 0 1 हो गई, तो इसलिए इसकी डिग्री कितनी हो गई, द पावर्स ऑफ एक्स इज 0. सो द डिग्री ऑफ ए नॉन जीरो कॉन्स्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल इज 0. लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल, ए पॉलिनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 1, क्वाड्रेटिक डिग्री 2, क्यूबिक डिग्री 3, जीरो पॉलिनोमियल नॉट डिफाइंड. जीरो मीन्स जीरो का तो हम कुछ भी नहीं लिख सकते हैं, सो नॉट डिफाइंड. नाउ इट कम्स द कोफिशिएंट. Why the coefficient is important? Let us suppose you have the expression is minus x cube plus 4x square plus 7x minus 2. So coefficient of x cube, children, x cube is minus x cube here. So it means x cube is multiplied by minus 1. So it is equal to minus x cube. So x cube is multiplied by minus 1. So algebraic term is multiplied by the by which, that is the coefficient. Let us suppose x cube is multiplied by minus 1. So minus 1 is the coefficient of x cube. X square here 4x square, so x square is multiplied by plus 4. Plus 4 is there. Sign is very important, children. So plus 4, so the coefficient of x square is equal to 4. And now 7x, the coefficient of x is equal to 7. So children, this all kindly note this in your notebook and go through with the exercise number 2.1. So enough for today. So children, you complete this. Thank you.